Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates from Malik Gilani. Hello, this is Malik Gilani. You're watching Malik G Reviews.
Today, we're unboxing and reviewing one of the most anticipated budget wireless earbuds of the year, the CMF by Nothing Buds Pro 2. Let's see if these earbuds live up to the hype. First, the packaging is simple yet eye-catching, featuring branding on the front. The sides include product specifications. While the back displays the serial number, manufacturing date, and rated capacity. Let's open the box. Inside, we find the charging case, which we'll set aside for now. Also included are a connection guide, a USB A to C charging cable, and extra small and large ear tips for a better fit, essential for comfort and sound quality. And there's also a substantial user guide booklet. Now, onto the earbuds. They're lightweight yet feel premium, housed in a clean matte finish case with a minimalistic design that aligns with Nothing's aesthetic. The case features an indicator light on the lower side, a USB Type-C charging port, and the CMF logo on the front with a chunky dial, which we'll discuss later. The buds themselves are sleek, compact, and ergonomic right out of the box. There's also a pairing/reset button that's flush with the case body. Battery capacity of buds is 60 mAh, while the case has 460 mAh battery. Examining them closely, their streamlined design boasts a simple matte finish with a subtle CMF logo. While they have a more straightforward look than Nothing's higher-end models, they still exude class. Medium ear tips come pre-installed on the buds. Multiple color options are available to match your style. The CMF by Nothing Buds Pro 2 comes with an impressive battery life. Playback with ANC off, up to 43 hours with case and up to 11 hours with buds only. Playback with ANC on/transparency mode, up to 26 hours with case and up to 6.5 hours with buds only. Let's try these on and see how they feel. First impressions. They're really comfortable, sitting securely in my ears. I could wear them for hours without discomfort. Definitely a good start. Wow, these budget earbuds really deliver. The sound is well balanced with a nice bass emphasis, while the mids and highs remain clear. Introducing the industry's first customizable smart dial. Rotate it to change the volume and manage playback. Press it to control noise cancellation, activate the voice assistant, switch to low lag mode, or mute your microphone during meetings. Enhance your experience even more by setting up custom functions in the Nothing X app. The charging case charges the earbuds in around 60 minutes for a full charge. I've tested the ANC, and it's surprisingly effective. It eliminates up to 50 dB of noise cancellation. It effectively reduces low-frequency sounds like traffic and fan noise. While it doesn't match flagship-level ANC, it's sufficient for commuting and office use. It also has adaptive ANC which adapts to the environmental noise and acting accordingly. The transparency mode is also effective, allowing you to hear your surroundings without removing the buds. It's not as clear as high-end models, but it does the job well for the price. Sound separation is excellent with 11mm bass driver and 6mm microplanar tweeter, which delivers a punchy sound with a lot of bass. ChatGPT integration is also available but with only Nothing phones. You can tap on the buds to have multiple controls, like changing or pause the track, volume controls, ANC controls, and call controls. AAC, SBC, and LDEC codecs are added in these buds. While calling, the 6 HD microphones gives it all to make your call clean and noise-free with Clear Voice Technology 2.0 and Wind Noise Reduction 2.0. The CMF by Nothing Buds Pro 2 offers app support that displays battery percentage and includes an equalizer with presets and a Dirac OPTEO option for enhanced sound. You can set a custom sound profile and enjoy spatial 360 cinematic sound out of the box. There's also an ultra bass option for those who like extra thump. Additional features include ear detection, low lag mode, LDEC high-quality audio, compatible with certain phones, the ability to connect two devices simultaneously, and a Find My Earbuds function. Firmware updates are also available. The Buds Pro 2 come with an IP55 rating, making them sweat and splash resistant. So, whether you're hitting the gym or caught in a drizzle, you don't have to worry. In summary, the CMF by Nothing Buds Pro 2 combines a sleek design, decent ANC, a comfortable fit, and good sound quality at a competitive price. If you're looking for budget-friendly earbuds that feel premium, these are worth considering. I'm impressed with Nothing's offering at this price point. While they can't compete with high-end models in sound quality or ANC, the CMF Buds Pro 2 perform well for everyday use. If you're searching for solid, budget wireless earbuds, these could be a great choice. That's it for today's unboxing and review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.